Firojul Alam Khan, A Journey in Education and Innovation. Hi everyone. I'm Firojul Alam Khan, an accomplished English graduate and postgraduate from Rajshahi University, where I earned first-class results in both degrees. My passion for education and literature has driven me to specialize in teaching, curriculum development, and fostering critical thinking. As the owner and CEO of Firoj Academy, I lead initiatives that inspire students to unlock their full potential. My experience includes analyzing literature, engaging in academic writing, and creating dynamic learning environments. I've also participated in international initiatives with USAID and the British Council, contributing to cross-cultural programs and global educational efforts. Additionally, I was honored to be personally invited to the USA by Philtown to attend Rule No. 1 investing workshops. With a strong foundation in education and a commitment to innovation, I'm passionate about making a lasting impact in academia and beyond. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you.